guys, so it's me and Bray Bray, and we're going to be doing another challenge. And it's going to be where I grow cheeses, and I'm cooking them right now with that spatula. With this spatula, right here. Okay, stop.
Hello. So, crap off.
Oopsie. Just on the floor. Okay.
Well, you know, so crap off, you little turds. We're watching that. Y'all little turds. We're doing some dumb crap. Yeah, y'all little turd ass.
I'm telling my niece. Now on to our drink while we're waiting.
We're not allowed to be in them.
Shit, gotta get out of here. But let's see if there's any Kool-Aid on the table.
There's not.
Well, go get.
I know which one. It can't even see y'all.
Okay, we're gonna be using these cups. Come on, Bray.
2.
Slide over here. I'm waiting on Brayden.
Dodo. Floss.
Okay, so
Turn
these are done.
It's dark.
And these were
It's where.
Don't get too close. Okay, so we got 2 napkins that we're fixing to put our grilled cheeses on. Look, I gave you back. Gave you back. Can't look in it yet. Okay, so we're gonna unplug this, and we're gonna go put our grilled cheeses in there. And Bray, get your grilled cheeses.
This is
Get your grilled cheeses. Okay, guys. Alright, so we're gonna go in here.
What? Where's our cups?
Oh, we haven't even poured any drink yet.
Oh yeah. I think
Okay, so you're just gonna wait there while we go get our drinks. Hello, guys. Why are you eating? You're cheating again.
Because you both look like third.
I forgot. And you're supposed to be right here. We're not doing this video. Come on.